Hello, dear friends, channel subscribers and casual viewers of the video. This is my homemade electrostatic machine for cold smoking. These are high voltage wires and an electrical panel. The presented device is an experimental model on the basis of which it is planned to develop the technology. Based on the knowledge gained, it is planned to design and manufacture a serial sample. A mesh of thin copper wire is attached to the frame of these water pipes. The frame attached to the door is made using the same technology. Both frames are removable, which simplifies the cleaning process. The doors will be hermetically sealed and both of these frames will be connected to each other with this wire and electrically connected to the positive pole of the high voltage generator. The second, negative pole of the high voltage wire is connected to this stainless steel tube for hanging the product. We will hang the product prepared for smoking on this tube, which will be charged with a voltage of minus 35,000 volts during the smoking process. This is the complete electrical diagram of this device. There is a video on my YouTube channel that shows and explains what it consists of and how it works. The circuit is powered by a circuit breaker that is set to 25 amps and essentially functions as a circuit breaker. This is the power cord that connects the unit to the 230 volt city power supply. This is the adjustable airflow source. This is also a homemade device, using a computer power supply fan and a homemade composite impeller. This device forces air through the ejector located here, thereby creating a vacuum and pulling smoke out of the smoke generator, mixing it with air, cooling it and feeding it into the smoking chamber. This is the main tank and combustion chamber of the homemade smoke generator. There is a chimney here. This is the condensate collection tank. This is what the smoke generator looks like from the front. This is the hole for lighting the sawdust, and this is the hole for adding additional air. There is an ash tank here, which is removable and connected to the main tank with two bolts. For those who are interested in what the inside looks like, the lid comes off like this, and this is what the inside looks like. Now I will step back a little and turn on the device. The high voltage generator produces voltage so high that it breaks through dielectric gaps up to 3 centimeters wide, and you can hear the characteristic sounds of discharge. You can also hear the characteristic rustle of corona discharge and see how this high voltage grid wire vibrates. You can hear the sounds of discharge, a loud click. The high voltage generator is switched off. It has gone into standby mode. It will switch on again now. It has already switched on. You can see the LEDs that switch on the time relay. This circuit switches on and off periodically. This frequency is adjustable. Now I will show you how easy it is to adjust the operation of the air source. The air is pumped by a handmade impeller made of composite material, which is slightly imbalanced and therefore vibrates. Balancing of this impeller is planned a little later.
ესე მუშაობს მოწყობილობა. აი.
Now I will show you how strongly this wire, located on the edge, vibrates under the influence of a high-voltage electric field.